Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a room in Ludo King. To create a room in Ludo King, first of all, open the Ludo King application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well. After signing into the home page, tap on Play with Friends option. Now, select the board and the color at the top of the screen, and then check if you want to enable voice chat by tapping on the voice chat option. Finally, click on the next button at the bottom of the screen and select the game mode. After you do that, click on Create Room. Tap on the boxes at the bottom of the screen where you see the plus icon and invite your Facebook friends or buddies to play. Search for your friends by using the search box at the top, or choose friends from your buddies list. Tap on the invite button right next to your buddy or the contact, and once your friends or buddies accept your invite, you can then start to begin the game. And that's how you can easily create a room in Ludo King. The room code will appear at the top of the screen. You can share this code with your friends via WhatsApp, Messenger, or any other messaging platform. Your friends will need to select Play with Friends and Join Room and enter the room code, and once all of your friends has joined, you can tap on Start to begin the game. So that's how you easily create a room in Ludo King. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Ludo King tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.